Hello, I am here with Faust to talk a little bit about Alchemy Stars, Astra Project, and some mods and fixes, I guess, that they're releasing for the game. So, first of all, Astra Project was set up round about the time that EOS came into effect. And it was set up with the goal of archiving Alchemy Stars as much as possible and hopefully to restore some features to the game. At the time, we had no idea what sort of features we'd get for the offline version, and unfortunately, as it turns out, it was quite bare bones. Sorry, Faust, talking over you there. So, first of all, they recently released a small fix for the game for some information that had been sort of taken out, I guess, for the offline version. So if you go up there and then you come down to the illustration button down here and personnel intel, assuming you haven't already applied this fix yourself, if you go to faction overview and then down to Eclipse, so if you haven't applied the fix yet, this will be all blank for you, and if you try and click on any of these, you'll just get an error. So what they've done is they've just gone in and, I don't know, somehow added all the files back in. I'm not a part of the modding team, I don't know, the first thing about how it works, it's amazing what they've been able to do here. So yeah. If you want to apply the fix yourself, you can join the Astra Project Discord server. I'll add in a link in the description or something for this. And then if you go down to modding releases and relation menu fix, they've got the details here of how to add it back in for Android, and there's a separate one for iOS as well. If you're using an emulator like I am, I'm using LD Player. It's still very simple, but if you don't know how shared folders work or what they do on an emulator, then it's going to be a bit difficult for you. So I thought I'd put this together to show you how to add it in on here. So first of all, if you just come back to the emulator's home screen, I believe the shortcut for shared folders is Control and 5 on here. But you can also just go over here and click this little folder. So if we go here, and you'll want to download this from the relation menu fix thread. And then if you go to your downloads, so you'll get the zip file, and you'll just want to extract that to get this one here. And then if you just go in and copy this, and then come back here, open the shared folder and go to PC shared folder. You'll want to paste it in here like I have, and then after you do that, come out and go to the Android shared folder. So you should now have your relation menu fix folder here. So all you need to do is check this up here, and then go to these three little dots up here, and then, oh no, you don't need to do that here, sorry, you just need to get that selected. You then go up here and you go to internal shared storage, and then give me just a moment, I need to get the path up. Very organised for this video, as you can tell. Modding releases, relation menu fix. Okay, and then you just need to go into Android, data, this one here, and then files, H3D mobile, manual, and then I've already got it in here, and then you just go up here to these three little dots and you can put copy selection here or move selection here, and it'll just add in the folder for you, and then you can just come out of this, boot your game up, and yeah, you'll have that fix there. So it's just a small fix, but it's really nice to have that missing information added back into the game. At the moment they are also working on utilising a folder, I guess, to create a new menu to allow you to view all of the stories from the past events, including collabs. It's going to be a bit of a mammoth undertaking. I can't pretend to understand how it works, but I think it's going to be a lot of work for them. Hopefully the modding team will be able to put something together, and we'll be able to view all of the past stories for this game, which is great. Sorry for rambling so much. I do really love this game. I really appreciate everything the modding team's doing, and hopefully we can get to see more fixes, updates. I know that stuff like Cloud Gardens, unfortunately, Colossus, all the other features like that, it's going to be, I don't know, nigh on impossible to add them back in, which is a bit of a shame, but they're doing what they can. If you're watching this and you're also passionate about Alchemy Stars and you've got experience in coding or modding games, please join the server and see if you're able to help out the team, because it would be lovely to restore this game as much as possible. Okay, thanks. Bye.